Gibarua kinene kiria kiri moko-ini ma thirikari kwa ihinda riri ni gia gutigirira na njira o ciothe ugitiri wa arutwo no wigo gacumbirika maundu mothe riri mambitie mathomo kimera-ini kia murimu wa COVID-19. Arugamiriri a thukuru marageria njira o ciothe iria mangihota kuiga arutwo haraya na ugwati na thukuru imwe irathi ikinya rimwe mbere meharĩria-ini ma mbara ino niguo gutigirira ngumo yao ndinathukio ni tharĩkĩra ya murimu.
We did is that we came up with a team of doctors, consulting doctors. We have clinical pharmacists, we have pathologists, and all the other medical professionals that are required for purposes of running a healthcare facility.
And I want to appreciate the school for welcoming us. Our temperatures were taken at the barrier gate, and to every station we have come, the temperatures have been checked. I've been taken through the classes. I've gone to the medical facility, which is perfect.
Kaunti-ini ya Machakos, thukuru-ini wa anake wa Machakos meharirie kuigana na marĩ na kliniki ya gutangĩkĩra arutwo marĩ cukuru handũ ha mũciari kũhũthĩra mbeca kũgũthũkia mwana thibitarĩ-inĩ iria irĩ hakuhĩ.
We've allowed the children in. We still want to urge our parents that running a school is impossible without funding. As we've understood their plight, we want them to honor their promise, so that we do not have to find reason to send the child home for fees, because sending this child home for fees would be exposing the child again.
Mũtaratara-inĩ wa kũnyihia mũhatĩkano, ũrũgamĩrĩri wa cukuru nĩ weturire cioro cia ihinda kuona kaingĩ rĩrĩa arutwo mathi gwĩteithia makimanagĩrĩra hamwe na kuna mawatho ma COVID-19.
We're looking at the health services beyond COVID, and so we're looking to keeping the facilities within the school so that we can also meet the national school healthcare policy guidelines, which have already been agreed upon and were promulgated by the government some years back.
Teaching and learning will not take place effectively if there are no funds on tuition account. So this we want to request the Ministry of Education to look at their funds again and allocate funds for teaching purposes.
Arutwo matanyihiire 300 wa form 4 ni macokerie cukuru-ini uyu na maguthomera irathi-ini 23 niguo gukinyanĩria watho wa kuiga arutwo maraihanĩrĩirie. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Julius Karithi wa Munene.